Let's make bruschetta with our bread that we made. If you want the recipe of the bread, I will put it up in the description box. Okay, so these are almost gluten-free bread, that's why they are so dense. Alright, so let's begin. I also have my leftover capsicum, onion, cheese and spices like mixed oregano, seasoning, chili flakes and green chili. So I've got this left behind, and of course cheese. I will also put that up in the description box. So this is the leftover that I have. I'm going to use this also in my bruschetta. I'm going to chop one tomato. Now if you see, this tomato does not have so much of juice because it's raw. Try to use a tomato which has no juice in it. Otherwise, what you can do is, if it's a ripe tomato, cut a slit and squeeze out all the juice before using it. Let's add some oregano seasoning. Again, 1 teaspoon of oregano seasoning. So I've chopped this as well finely. Let's begin making our bruschetta. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil to my bread. Okay. You can either brush it or just lightly add it with a spoon. Because we're going to toast this now. Once you've added oil to all your bread, let's put it in the oven and get it and let it toast. I've gone ahead and emptied that in my container. I'm going to add around 1 tablespoon of ketchup, and I'm going to use 1 tin of butter beans. Mix it. Already looks so delicious. I'm just taking it off from the oven so that I can put in my filling and put it back in the oven. Just going to take a handful, spoonful, sorry, on top. The mix that I made was just enough for all the 8 bruschetta. So what I'm now going to do is put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes until the bruschetta is nice and toasty. here you go. My bruschetta is ready. How delicious they look. If you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe, share, leave a comment, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon. I hope you enjoyed this. Do try it at home. If you do not have gluten-free bread, use any bread of your choice. You can buy a baguette, cut it in thin slices, and toast it. If you don't have an oven, you can use a pan and heat up your bread and toast it. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the recipe. Bye-bye.